Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to create elegant free WooCommerce shop website using a Envo Royal theme. You can see here the front pages look like this with the featured products and featured brands. Those kind of things are here. And when you go to the shop, you can see the shop items available with the sales product and the ascending descending with the filter prices and the categories, and customers also can search the products. When you go to the About Us page, you can see you can put your company details here. It's very elegant one. Then you can go to the contact page. You can make the contact us in a separate menu. I'll show you how to do that. You can see the location and the contact details are provided. When you go to the blog page, you can see it will display an elegant blog page where you can post your updates. When you go to the products, you can see single product, variable product, group products, sale products, external products. You can give the variety of products. Let's see the single product. You can see it will show the single product. When you hover on it, the image is moving. There's a compare option also. When you go down, you have the description and the related products. When you go to the variable products, here the customers can change the color, sizes of the products. When you go to the grouped product, you can see the top upper pants. So there are options available. So customers can select the options. So without wasting time, let's see how to install and how to demo import and how to edit this Envo Royal free theme using Elementor Builder. Before creating any website, you have to have the domain name, hosting, free SSL, and WordPress installed. If you don't know how to do this, please see the description for the detailed videos. If you want to purchase shared hosting, we highly recommend you the hosting shared hosting. If you used our referral link, you will get additional 20% discount. So I'll put the detail in the description. You can click the link and you can purchase. Once all is set up, first go to your WordPress dashboard, then click Appearance, then click Themes. Here click Add Theme and search for Envo Royal. You can see the Envo Royal theme is appearing. It's a free theme. So click Install. Now click Activate. Okay, once the theme is activated, you will get the following screen. So now click Get Started with Envo Royal. Now it will say thank you for installing Envo Royal. It will ask you to install and activate this Envo Extra. So click Install. Now click Activate. Okay, now you can see all the demo themes are appearing here. There are free and pro available. You can see the first 6 are free themes. You can see very nice themes. This demo, we are going to import this free theme. So if you want to check any theme, you can click this live preview. As I showed in introductory part, you can check all the demo contents. So let's close this. Okay, let's start to import this demo. So let's click anywhere in this image. So click here. Okay, it will ask you to install and activate following plugins. So the required plugins are Elementor, Elementor templates and widgets, and WooCommerce. And recommended plugins are WooCommerce wishlist and WooCommerce compare. So let's install all and activate them. So let's click install now. Install now. So click one by one. Okay, now all the required and the recommended plugins are installed and activated. So let's click go to next step. Okay, now it will ask to import all the demo data. By default, all are selected. So let's click install this demo. Sometimes you may get following error: cannot retrieve sample data XML file. The server may be down at the moment. Please try again later or try manual import. So in this case, there are two options available. One, you can go to following website and manually import, but it is difficult task. But you can do another way. Let's close this one. And here on the top, you can see if the import failed, try switching the demo source server. Now source server is 2. So let's change this source server to server 1. So this server 1 is works. So let me have change. Again, come back and click this image. Click on this image. Again, it will come back to the same place. Now let's click go to the next step. Click install this demo. Now it will start to import all the demo data without any interruption. It will take around 2 to 5 minutes, depending on your internet hosting speeds. So please wait for that period. Once the demo import is complete, you will get following message: demo imported, see the results. So let's click this one. Wow, all the demo data have been imported, but these images are not appearing because those are copyrighted. So you can replace them with your own product images. So let's go down. You can see, let's click this shop page. You can see the shop also appearing like this. So you can remove this unnecessary items. My account checkout card, this submenu items are not needed here. So I'll show you how to remove this. Let's click this about us. And here also you can separate this about us with contact. You can put the contact here. So let's see how to do that. And these are the items. So let's click this single product. Okay, now you can see it's very nicely appearing. On the shop page, there is one thing, very important thing you don't have to forget. This you can see, this page is in coming soon mode and only visible to you and those who have permission. To make this public to everyone, you have to click this change visibility settings. So until you complete your shop products, it will not appear to the customers. Let's see, I'll open the page in a different browser. You can see this is appear like this. Great things are on the horizon, so it will not appear to customers. So once you complete all products, you have to click this change visibility settings. You can go, this is WooCommerce and settings, and here you have to click live. So your entire site is visible to everyone. Once you complete, you can click this live and save changes. So that's the thing you have to do. Okay, let's see how to rearrange these menu items and remove unnecessary items. These are unnecessary items, so you can remove unnecessary items and you can rearrange the menu items. For that, go to the WordPress dashboard, go to appearance and click menus. So here you have to select the menu. By default, it is select the categories menu, but we have to select the primary menu. So click this drop down icon. Here see main menu. That is the primary one, and click select. Here you can see the home page. There are several other home pages available, so you can select other one as well. Otherwise, you have to remove these unnecessary home pages. So let's remove one. You can see these are the custom links, so those are no need. So let's remove one by one. Just click this drop down arrow and click remove. Like that, one by one you can remove. Okay, similarly for shop, you can remove this unnecessary sub menus, my menu, my account, checkout card. So you can remove this unnecessary sub menus. So those will appear once the customer purchased the items, but here it is no need. So remove this one. And regarding about us and contact, so you can make the contact page item as the main menu item. So you can drag and drop. So the order is home, shop, about us, blog, and finally contact. Now you can remove this menu items as well. Okay, now we have arranged menu like this: home, shop, about us, blog, contact. So if you accidentally removed any page, or if you want to add any other page, you can see the pages on the left side. It will show the recent pages. If you want to view all, you can select all. Here you can add any other pages if you want. Okay, once you have done, click save menu. Okay, let's open the website in a new tab and see. Wow, now you can see it is appearing nicely: home, shop, about us, blog, and contact. Once you click contact, you can see the contact us page is appearing. If you want to edit this header and footer, let's see. Go to the dashboard, appearance, and click customize. You can see once you click site identity, you can give the site identity, and if you want to add a logo, you can add the logo. Like the site icon, you can add. So those kind of things you can do. Click theme options. So when you click theme options, here you can see the header and footer widgets. Those kind of things you can edit here. So let's click this header. So in the header, you can edit the menu, main menu, secondary menu, category menu, as I done earlier. This is the main menu we have already edited. So you can edit the size, those kind of things you can edit here. And the secondary menu, you can edit the menu font. So in the free version, the options are limited, and the category menu, you can edit the menu font. And the top bar, you can edit the top bar font, top bar spacing, and some are pro items. In the header, you can see this is the default header. If you want to edit this header placement, fonts, those kind of things, it is a pro feature, so you have to activate the Envo Pro. Otherwise, you can keep the default one. So if you want to edit the footer widget, you can click the footer widgets, footer widget border size, those kind of things you can edit. And the copyright footer credits, it's also a pro feature, but I have another video how to edit any theme's footer credits. So please watch that video. I'll put it in the description. You have to put a code for that. Okay, let's see how to edit the shop items. So how to edit the products and replace them with your own one. For that, again, go to the WordPress dashboard and go to products and click all products. So here you can see the demo products are available here. So you can delete all of them and you can put new ones, or else you can just edit them with your own product. So let's click this one, click edit. You can give your title and the description and the product URL if you want, and button text you can put anyone, buy it now or sale or whatever, regular price and sale price. So if you put the regular price with the sale price, the item appear as the sale. And product tags, so these are detailed ones. So these I have created a WooCommerce tutorial, so you can watch them how to edit this product. So if you want to add the shop address, payment methods, those kind of things, click this WooCommerce, skip guided setup, go to store. Okay, here you can see products already added. Then you have to set up the payments, PayPal, Stripe, whatever method you can add, and customize your store, collect sales tax, launch store. So you can all things you can do. I have created another WooCommerce video. You can watch them to know how to do this. And let's come to the blog page. You can see there are posts available. Once you click this post, you can see the posts are appearing as post ID. So it is not recommended for the search engine optimization. So I'll show you how to edit that one and how to edit this post. So go to this WordPress dashboard again, go to the settings and click this permalinks. So in the permalink, by default it is selected plain one, that is page numbers, but we have to select this post name. So then only it will be, your post will be ranked up on the search engine optimization. So it will appear your website name with the post title. Once it's done, you can save changes. And if you want to add new post, you can click this add posts. You can click this all posts. Here you can see the demo posts are available here, so you can delete all of them and put your ones, or else you can edit them with your own one. Once you click this edit, you can see you can edit the post with the WordPress default Gutenberg editor, or else you can edit with the Elementor. Both ways you can do. So the blog editor also very easy. So I have created on another video on how to edit the post using WordPress Gutenberg. You can watch that video. Okay, finally, if you want to edit any page contents using Elementor, you have to go to the any page. Let's say this About Us page, and here click Edit with Elementor. So sometimes your site doesn't have a default kit, recreate kit. So click this recreate kit. It will redirect you to the tools. So click this recreate kit. Okay, now kit is recreated. Save changes. Again, come back to the About Us page. Click Edit with Elementor. Okay, now it is very easy to edit with Elementor. I have created several tutorials on how to edit with Elementor section by section. You can edit. So once you click, you can visually edit anything. You can see it's very easy. Visually you can edit. Once you click this arrow, it will, now you can move here. And if you want to edit this text, again click this arrow, you can edit this text. It is very easy. Using with Elementor, you can visually edit. Similarly, if you want to edit this home page, again go to the home page. Again click with edit with Elementor. Okay, now you can visually edit anything. So you can edit in this side also, directly here also you can edit. So if you are familiar with Elementor editor, you can easily edit here. So this is a simple explanation on how to install, demo, import and edit the Envo Royal theme. It's a free theme. It supports Elementor, Beaver Builder, WP Bakery, any builder it supports. So if you have any queries, please leave in the comment section. So please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.